Everything has been positive, and there is a lot of interest on the concept of the project we presented, and just overall on the goals of the 2020 project for Aruba. So yeah, it's been great. The ALDEA project is at a stage that we're setting up the infrastructure for it. So we'll need technical support and also community support in developing what are the aspirations of the community. So, and we'll be organizing a few workshops in the near future to have those conversations with the community. And also some research that will need to be done to recapture and relearn some of the old techniques and ideas and histories that are going to be critical to the development of the project. He did a good job explaining the concept of the aspirations for Aruba, and he really connected the idea, not only what I keep going back to Bible mimicry, but understanding that it's a society, you have to be happy, and it's not only about the economic aspects, but also the societal aspects and the quality of life. So that was a great idea that he presented, and actually came through quite clear with his own personal experience. It's great exposure. TED is a great platform for innovation and ideas, so he will get a lot of attention out of this, and he may get the attention of some innovators and actually great social entrepreneurs that might be interested in coming to the island and participating in the event. People already are looking at Aruba, and the conversations I have abroad, everybody keeps looking at Aruba, hoping and expecting and actually watching and learning what we're doing here. So it'll be a great next step in that process.